When comparing the John Deere 9620RX, a powerful tracked tractor with its wheeled counterparts, it's essential to look beyond horsepower and consider the real-world factors that impact farm productivity and profitability. Tracked tractors like the 9620RX offer several distinct advantages, especially when it comes to traction, soil health, fuel efficiency, adaptability to challenging terrains, and maintenance requirements. Understanding these differences can help farmers make informed decisions that optimize field performance and long-term returns. Let's start with traction. The 9620RX, equipped with 4 independent rubber tracks, is engineered to maximize pulling power in a variety of field conditions. While wheeled tractors can struggle with slippage, especially in loose or wet soils, the tracked design distributes the tractor's weight more evenly and increases the contact area with the ground. This means the 9620RX can deliver more consistent traction, allowing it to pull heavy implements more efficiently and with less risk of getting stuck. Whether working in plowed fields, climbing hills, or operating on softer ground after a rain, the tracked advantage translates to fewer delays and greater productivity during critical planting and harvest windows. Soil compaction is another critical factor influencing crop yields. Excessive compaction can restrict root growth, limit water infiltration, and reduce yields over time. Wheeled tractors concentrate their weight onto a smaller footprint, increasing soil pressure and the risk of compaction, particularly in wet or freshly tilled fields. The 9620RX's tracks, by contrast, spread the tractor's weight over a larger surface area, significantly reducing ground pressure. Studies have shown that tracked tractors can lower soil compaction levels by up to 40% compared to similar-sized wheeled machines. This not only protects soil health, but also promotes better germination and plant development, ultimately leading to higher yields and a more sustainable operation. Fuel efficiency is closely tied to traction and compaction. Tracked tractors like the 9620RX often demonstrate lower fuel consumption per acre because they minimize wheel slip and make better use of engine power. With reduced slippage, energy is transferred more effectively to moving implements through the soil rather than being lost spinning tires. In field studies, tracked tractors have consistently used less fuel when performing heavy tillage or pulling large planters, especially in challenging conditions. Over the course of a season, these fuel savings can add up, reducing one of the largest recurring costs on the farm. Versatility is another area where the tracked design shines. The 9620RX is built to handle a wide range of terrains, from soft, wet fields to uneven, hilly landscapes. Where wheeled tractors might struggle with ruts or bog down in muddy conditions, the tracks provide stability and flotation, allowing work to continue even when weather isn't cooperating. This adaptability can be especially valuable in regions with unpredictable rainfall or heavy clay soils. The ability to get into fields sooner after rain or to work longer into the season can make a significant difference in crop management and harvest timing. Maintenance is an important consideration for any high-value piece of equipment. While tracks can be more expensive to replace than tires, they typically require less frequent replacement and are less prone to punctures or blowouts. Wheeled tractors may need more regular tire changes, especially in operations involving rocky or abrasive soils. Additionally, the even weight distribution of tracked tractors can reduce stress on axles and drive components, potentially extending the life of key systems. Over several years, the higher upfront cost of tracks can be offset by lower maintenance, improved field performance, and increased yields. When considering long-term costs, it's important to look at the full picture. The 9620RX's tracked technology can lead to improved fuel economy, better crop yields through reduced compaction and fewer weather-related work delays. While initial investment and some maintenance aspects may be higher, the benefits often outweigh the drawbacks for large-scale, diverse, or challenging farming operations. Choosing between the 9620RX and a wheeled tractor comes down to more than just price. It's about maximizing efficiency, protecting your soil, and achieving the best possible outcomes for your farm.